When shooting a property, you actually want to show the property outline. This is important for acreages, farms, ranches, and other large properties. So how do we do that? Let's go over this quick tip with you. I'm Scott Prokop with Shooting Real Estate, and here's your tip on how to show the outline of a property. First, talk with the realtor or owner. Pull up your phone, look at the actual property outline with them so you understand where it is. Next, take up your drone. You want to show the property from up high. So the best option, I love shooting down the property. It's easy on the eyes, it's easy to understand, and when people are looking through the photos, you look down at the property and see the entire image. I like outlining it in red, and a key when talking with the realtor is to remember that wherever the property is, look for key features out there. You'll see this has a fence, has definite corners with the trees. You want to look for those when you're up there with that drone. Here's another property. You can see the corner of the property, and it's the edge of this field out here. Again, we want to outline this property just like so. Next up, this is the same property looking the opposite way. So we're looking up from the house, from the road, and now we're looking the other way. This helps visualize for a farmer, the field, what he's looking at. He has two views. So if conditions are right, do both, and the owner, the future seller, they will be happy with what you did. Now let's go into how we will do this. Let's take this image for example. So first of all, touch it up, do whatever you have to in Lightroom, make it pop, and then we want to go and edit it in Photoshop. Edit a copy after you've done your adjustments, and we will take it over to Photoshop to do the magic. Basically, Lightroom is not powerful enough to actually do the outline, so we want to take it over the Photoshop and do the magic there. It's up to you whether you want to use red, yellow, whatever color you wish. Basically what we want to do is show the property outline. So first of all, let's add a layer. I'm going to go way down here, hit the plus button, add a new layer. So you'll see the layer here. I'll bring this up so you can see it. It's just basically an empty layer. Layer 1. So what I want to do is using the brush tool, I want to pick red over here. So I go into the icon. If yours is not red right now, click on it. It'll pull up the color picker, and you want to select red. So in the scale here, you can pick whatever color you want. If you want yellows, I like to go right to the top, pull the cursor to the corner, go OK. We got red. I got the highlighter on. This is a Windows feature. So what you want for a brush, you want a hard round brush, and I like it around 75 or so. So let's draw this in. Look, it's easiest to start with a corner you know. So we're going to start at the far corner over here. Put the red line, and I'm holding Shift. Shift will draw the line to and from. I'll go to this property. I'm going to try to catch those trees and draw it across. Again, go out here, draw it across. Whenever you're going flat against, like horizontal as we are, make sure it's nice and straight. That will be visually important. So now we join it up with the other end, and we are done. So we have a new layer over here. That is the property outline. So what I want to do next, I'm just going to go over here, and you'll see those two arrows show up. That's the scrubber. All I'm doing is pulling this back. It's around 40% is usually a nice number. You can type it right in here. That'll save you time. 40, enter, and there you go. We got an opacity added to that red outline we did. You can see through it. It's not perfect, but it gives the general idea. So when people are looking at actual images, they're thumbing through it on the listing, bam, bam, bam. You see through here. You see through the image, or see through the outline to see the image, and it's very important. So this is your quick tip. Basically draw a red outline around the property, save it, and then send this off to your customer. Thanks for watching, and hit the thumbs up if you like it and found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.